What? What have you done? Are you joking? You are joking.
First mishap of the day goes to me.
One of many. One of many.
One of many. What an idiot!
You said
I
it.
don't know how well. Look, we've just started. We've had to pull over. There's Craig. Say hello, Craig. There
I'm
we
steaming
go.
up already. Yeah.
He's steaming up. And we've just switched the cameras on now because we're coming to our first stop, which is Jedburgh. Oh, indicator still on.
Oh, I was just waiting to see how long it would have taken for you to notice that the indicator was still on.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm going to go through this sign that says no entry.
All right. Casual.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's no entry on the other side, isn't it, as well? So.
Well, and this is the cafe I was on about.
Right. Okay.
First leg of the journey will already try and dry out. Really well.
Sorry, Dave. Do you want to just explain to the viewers what we're doing here? I know. I mean, it's. But is this? Oh, we're doing a U-turn. Why are we doing a U-turn, Dave? Where? No. Yeah.
Dangerous Dave goes down the middle for diddle. It filters out. Is your comms on? Oh
yep.
God,
Comms
there's
are
always
on.
one, isn't there? There's always one.
There's always one.
He can't just enjoy the bridge.
Well, I need to hide behind the HGV because I am a wide
Me, you
load
are
in these
the
high
HGV.
winds. Well, you're not wrong there, are you?
That was a low blow, wasn't it? And they're quite aggressive on the. Okay, then, EJ! Sit in! Do you want a scone? Okay, then, you Jesus Christ!
Yeah, that's our Scottish followers unsubscribed.
Right, how far are we at? We actually took a wrong turn.
That's unlike us to take a wrong
Craig,
turn.
Yeah, Craig kept us talking too much. I took the wrong. I took the wrong turn off. Oh, look at there!
It's not a house or a castle.
It's a sort of housey castle.
All right.
A housey castle.
Or is it like a bouncy castle?
Scottish.
A housey castle.
It's a wee housey castle.
God. Right, there's another.
Faith.
There's another.
It is gorgeous. So it must be an event. Can't gate crash. But look at the lights.
Yeah, movie makers. Oh.
Yes. That's for us.
Oh yeah, we've got a new crew.
Just
They're a
saying.
bit late, aren't they, the crew? Don't know why they've stopped off there.
Just saying. This might be our future, Craig. You know, you start off small, you become successful, the women start asking you to sign the breasts.
Just
And then the next thing you know- What are you saying?
Nothing. No, you tell the viewers, what have you got in your mind?
I wouldn't be surprised now if I get recognised in the street.
100%. I'm guessing because of your indication,
on my sat nav.
we're turning right. I'm looking at your indicators.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look
think,
at this, it's beautiful.
I think the sun is just catching your indicators there, and I couldn't really see if you were going left or right.
Did I have them on? It's not like me to put
you've just
indicators
cancelled them there, otherwise, yeah, I would have said they were on. I believe as well, when you get further along this...
I can fly.
When you get further along this road, there's a farm with stags, I think. There's just a massive group of stags in there, from memory anyway.
Craig, look at this, man.
Oh, it's stunning.
Wow.
There's some quite tight S's coming up as well. Well, I think you should lay off the sugar, Dave, because you've had quite a bit of sugar today, haven't you?
My diet has been disgusting today.
Oh, Jesus, has it not? It's
not that it's the best anyway, but I had a full packet of Haribos for breakfast.
I mean, you've done well just to have one.
Followed by 3 cups of tea. So, and then by the time Craig turned up, I was crashing. I'm just going to stop responding every time you tell me about my speed.
I'm just saying, normally he sits in here on the left-hand side with his speed gun.
Sits in here. I'm not listening, mate. Just not listening.
You see, this is what I mean. I try and help him out. He normally stands here with his speed gun, right? And he clocks everyone. And Dave's like, nah, I know better. I think that's it to the right, Dave. That pump to the right. Pump to the right, pump to the right, pump to the right, pump to the right, pump to the right.
Is that it there?
You going in? You going in?
What now?
Well, yeah.
Oh, is this where we're staying?
Well, not where we're staying, no, but if you wanted a flask, this is the rapids. If you wanted a
oh, right.
Jesus,
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
He's fucking senile, you know what I mean? Why have I come with him?
Can we go through that bit? Take your bike through this bit. Oh, he's gone off. Oh, there he is.
Oh, where
there
are you?
He is. Mate, I'm going. Well, I got me speedos, man. I'm gonna go for a plunge.
You got your what?
Is this somebody's house? Do you think? Oh, the smoke coming from the chimneys. You smell that? It's beautiful.
I cannot see a thing. I'm just following your brake light.
Oh, this is it, Craig. Living the dream.
Yeah, some great roads. Great roads.
The things we do for our 3 subscribers.
Yeah.
Do you want? Wow, Craig. Look at them big copper pots.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to drive in there, but...
Squirrel!
Whoa!
It was a red one, though. Well,
it was a red one.
Anyway. Yeah.
Right. Spray them now, don't they?
Welcome to Aberfeldy. We have arrived.
We have arrived.
Yeah, that's fine. There on the left-hand side. There's the curry house.
That chilli, right? Yeah. That's your curry house. So we've got to walk down here. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Oh, it's a lovely little village.
And I bet you don't hear many people tell you that.
Well, that's where we're staying.
Where?
On the right-hand side. Right-hand side.
Oh yeah, so how do we get in?
So we'll take a right here.
It looks like a bit of a workman's place to stay.
Yeah.
Judging by the vans.
So long as it's clean, it's the main thing.
Safe, mate, safe. Well, there's a spot there.
Dave, I thought you went this one, yeah. You know, the one right next to the van. Well, we have arrived.
This is the place. Hello. This is it. This is a historic moment. This is the place. Hello.
Don't you take a photograph of you and send it to Jen?
How was it, Dave? How was the Indian?
ill.
That was a lot.
Oh, just shoot me now. Put me out of this misery. I can't even get to me bloody shoes. Oh, we've got to learn when to stop.
What about your other pair of jeans? Why don't you put them on?